How to find saved audios on Facebook. Sometimes we save audios or sounds on Facebook to use it later for reels or videos, but then we can't find them. So if we don't know where to look, we waste our time searching. And so let's find saved audio step by step. Open a Facebook app for that, and we can directly look out for your story option here, create story and tap on it. And once we open it up, we can just go over and look out for a particular section where we can add audios. So for that, we can tap on this music icon available here, tap on it. And once we tap on music here, we can look out for all of the music available. And if you want to find your saved audios from this page right here, we can tap on the saved option in the top right corner, the favorites icon available, tap on it, and there you'll be finding your saved audios here. Now, this is one of the most common ways the audios are saved. You can just go and choose the audio that you would like from the list given, and normally share it like you usually do. You can just go over and do so. Or if not this, we can just go over and look out for the menu option in the top right. And from there, select the option of save. And once we are here, we can look out for our saved reels, saved videos using audios, etc. And here, the audios are linked inside these saved videos. So Facebook does not have a separate audios save tab like Instagram does. So audios are saved inside the reels or videos, not as the list. So what we can do is we can basically find the video that we like to use, and we can use the audio to easily find it again, finding once you have saved the reel. And you can like the reel for faster access later and follow the creators who use trending audios. And this should also save the time while editing reels and helps us reuse the trending audios, and you do not need to search again and again. And that's how we find saved audios on Facebook very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.